ready to go.
Well, first I want to say thank you and a great salute to Lynn Stewart. And sorry that I'm not going to be there. When you're listening to this, I'm already inside MCC. So I'm going to have a different point of view of reading the newspaper, the one that I was reading the outside, in my office, in my house, in the street, in the train. So now I'm going to find myself reading the newspaper, the Revolution newspaper, inside the prison system. And we always been saying something, and it's that knowledge is power, organized people is power. One strong tool to organize people is the information that we find in the Revolution newspaper. Another way is to create, and this is what I have in mind, so I don't know, I already have a plan. I have a plan to get the newspaper, create small groups, reflections groups, meditation groups, and use the newspaper as a way of awakening consciousness. You wake up the conscious, people become more political from a social perspective, and then we organize people. They need to understand why they are in prison. There's social prisoners. Most of them are not political prisoners, but there's a lot of things happening in our capitalist society that they had no idea how society functions. So they end up being in prison. So those people, and now I'm appealing to people to express the solidarity, buying a subscription, so different places, not only male prison, but also female prison, not only adults prison, also young people, so they can have the opportunity to receive the newspaper, read the newspaper, organize through the newspaper, wake up and create a revolution.
Good.